You're closer to being a profitable trader than you think. Here are 6 signs that you're on your way to being a profitable trader. And number 6 puts it all together. Number 1 is that you are getting bored, right? Not bored of actually trading, my friends, is that you're not highly excited nor let down when a trade doesn't go in your favor. Think of it more of when you were just starting out, right? You felt like you was on a roller coaster when you were winning. As soon as you jump in a trade, your heart rate is beating fast and you're sweating. And if you feel like the trade is going against you, you're sad, you're fear, and those emotions lessen when you are getting closer to being a profitable trader. You understand your reason for getting in, you understand your profit target, you also understand where you're going to get out if the trade goes against you. And now you're just waiting to see if the trade's gonna play it out. That is the simple thing, my friends. You're not overly excited nor disappointed anymore. Sign number 2 is that you finally stop P&L watching, right? So what that simply means, my friend, as a seasoned trader or you're on your way to profitability, you understand that the money in that P&L report is not yours until you fully close out the trade. So what are you focused on as a profitable trader? Your execution, the trade actually playing out. Once you have entered in the trade, my friend, there's only 2 outcomes, right? It hits your profit target or it hits your stop loss. And that is what you are now waiting to see happen, right? So you don't have to worry about looking at your P&L and seeing if it's green, if it's red, if it's rising, if it's dropping. You already anticipate that, my friends. You already understand that. And now you're just waiting for the trade to play out. Hey, if you like videos like this and you like what I'm saying, go ahead and hit that like button. You already know how YouTube does. And if you like videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I'm always dropping gems like this. All right, let's go on to number 3. Number 3 is you take trades according to your plan, and that is it. That goes into that execution thing I've been talking about, right? Execution is the number 1 priority as a profitable trader. Previous to your days, you remember when you was a beginning trader, you was like, oh, the dollar signs. That was your number 1 focus. When you understand that profitability means that you are consistent in your strategy, you're consistent in your entry, you have a system, and that's what you follow, that is going to be the shift from being a novice to being, a profitable trader. Because previously, all you were worried about, how much am I gonna make? How much am I gonna lose? How much am I risking? To be a profitable trader, your focus is your execution. We are focused on executing our plan day in and day out. That is our only focus. Sign number 4 that you're on your way to being a profitable trader is losses no longer bother you. I know that sounds kind of crazy because, hey, we're in the market to make money, right? But as a profitable trader, you understand that losses come with the game, okay? And the quicker you understand that as a trader, you will not fall victim to emotions or things like FOMO, revenge trading, over trading, which entail mess with your confidence, blow up your account, and jack you up in shorter terms, right? So to be a profitable trader, or a sign that you are on that route of being a profitable trader, you take it on the chin. And if you really dialed in, your strategy helps you minimize those losses. So a profitable trader has rules to safeguard them from these emotions or these things that can hinder you as a trader. One of them might be if you have 2 losses or 3 losses, you walk away and you live to trade another day. All right, sign number 5 is that you straight up stop FOMO trade. And FOMO stands for fear of missing out. And that happens a lot where you might miss an entry, or you might have been looking at a different ticker, or the trade just goes. And you have that aching feeling of like, oh my gosh, that's my money, or I should be in there. Listen, profitable trader understands that by jumping in anywhere and not trading with your strategy opens you up to, remember those things we were talking about? Over trading, revenge trading, things that are not going to be suitable for a profitable trader. So my friends, the market could go any old way. It could trend up, it could trend down. But this is the key. If the setup is not there, if it did not fit into your strategy, my friends, it was not your trade. That is not your money. Sign number 6 that you're on your way or almost there to being a profitable trader is that you're finally done with strategy hopping. Any profitable trader that you know of, my friends, has a strategy that they have perfected. And perfected does not mean they win 100% of their trades. And I want you to know that for you too. That doesn't mean you're going to win every trade. What that means is that you clearly understand your entry, you clearly understand your execution, and you are comfortable with the results. If it's a green or if it's a red, that is it, okay? You cannot say you are going to be a profitable trader and have multiple strategies, 5 strategies. You need to find one that you're able to execute day in and day out, be it the ORB strategy, be it the break and retest. Whatever the case is, my friend, you need to have one, and that's your key strategy for executing your trades, okay? If I can highlight anything, is that no strategy is 100% right all the time. But what can be right, my friend, is that you are 100% aware of your execution and your entry and your reason for taking this trade or not taking this trade, okay? So the simple fact, my friends, is that there are a lot of strategies out there. There's a lot of individuals teaching things. You need to find one that works for you, the way that you think, that works with your risk management, that gives you the confidence to take a trade. And once you have that, my friends, work it, back test it, journal it, find out what works for you, tweak it, make it your own. That's what trading is. It's an individual sport. So you cannot have a bunch of voices in your head when you're trying to learn. Pick one, my friends, and I'm sure you will become a better trader. All right, y'all. So I hope you learned something new. And if you ever want to trade with me live, hear my thoughts, process, see the strategy that I actually use to leave the classroom over 15 years, and get to trade with my husband. He trades with me live also. Go ahead and comment the word trade down below, or simply click the first link in my description, and I got you. I hope you have a blessed day, a blessed week, a blessed month, and a blessed rest of the year. See you on the next one.